floor and let it bounce.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels. 100,000.
Левчику, що це таке? Що це таке цікаве? Равлик? Равлик? Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley?
No more. Do you want me to call Dad? I'm gonna call him. Dad?
You can spin it.
She lost it. Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Me.
Get up, buddy. Okay.
Sit. Hey, good boy. Oh, Michael! There he goes.
Yeah, show them how you really be acting. You're not innocent. Come on. Get up, dude. Come on. Why is you doing that?
Кайф, да?
你可把饲料吃成这样子啊！跟你讲话。
This is a smart dog.
Vamos. No me muerda. Vamos. No me muerda. Vamos. Vamos a dormir.
Out!
Get the like the video, and then they're like standing talking.
Right.
Like,
Well, it was like all Saturday.
Get it, boy. What in the world, Sophie? Oh, you look so sad.
What are you doing?
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried you're gonna ask.
Buddy!
Dracula and his arch nemesis, the squirrel. The squirrel's stuck up the side.
Mammy's falling asleep at the Twins game.
I will not be ignored! Get back in here! Get back in here and love me!
Are you for real?
어디 있는 거야? 내 그놈이. 내 그놈이.
Baby, you're gonna step out into it. I haven't put your jacket on. Come on. Nope.
Montreal, Quebec, Ottawa.
It's my boulder. Okay, what's this one?
Yes.
Get off the cover. Move. Can we make the bed, please?
Just pull it from him.
Oh my god. Ace.
So pick it up and throw it over. Good to leave, right? Gonna go home? No. Drops it again.
Get it, Marvel.
Somebody had
hit him with as much force as I can.
Oh, you are not gentle. You are not a gentle boy. You kind of are. Oh my.
Skinny jeans. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
The big goat.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais là? T'es un petit trouillard, monsieur, là. T'es un petit trouillard? Oui, t'es un petit trouillard, monsieur.
Już pani projektantka teraz ogrody będzie projektowała.
Who did this?
You
are the father. Are you going to take care of your kids? Are you going to...
Wait, no. 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 No.
You're so... He gets...
Или что? Ты можешь брать хотя бы старые подушки, Матран? Блядь. По земле.
Where's your ball? Get your ball. Hey! Are you gonna come out here? Are you gonna come? The door's open, silly. The door is open. Good job. Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth.
Beleza. Quando eu olho pra baixo, o caramelo domina aqui.
Who did... God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face.
Look at me. I get away with everything. I get whatever I want. Oh no.
Sit down.
Luna. No. Hey.
No! No! Hey! Hey!
Biddy.
Oh my god.
ยังไงตัวเล็กยังไงเนี่ย
This is my weapon. Her name is Lola.
So good and tasty.
All the other dogs are just fine. No snow. But this. Oh.
I didn't touch it yet.
Hemi Leon. Oh my god.
Fine.
No.
When you can't figure out that the door is actually open.
Good boy. And that one? Good. And this one? Good boy. Very good. Nice. Very good.
She said they might have left. They might have left. I walked out there in the lobby with the yes, yes, yes.
Text John to 642-642. Ask about the Bosley Guarantee. That's DONE to 642-642.
You're telling me I'm supposed to love a child more than this?
Можешь брать игрушку. А теперь беги, он проснулся, Дэнни.
What do you have? What'd you get? What'd you get? Huh, Bubby? What do you have? What do you have?
Get your toy. Get your toy.
Wow, they gotta enjoy this.
Stop. Oh, is he no?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's you! I found you!
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's new. Oh.
What's up, Leonard? Give me dabs, Leonard. All right, good girl.
Toy to the cat. Let's watch her. We'll watch her get off. Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. How'd you get up there? Oh, that's how.
Boop. Boop.
Are we, I asked you, you didn't answer me.
It's not okay.
Yes, puppy. Okay. It was just one. Much there, sorry. Do you want breakfast?
I don't know where to draw the line.
Not here.
Of nothing, really.
You see Johnny, right?
No.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Oh, shit. All right.
Get him. I'm trying to do sit-ups.
Oh my God, you.
God.
We gotta.
Good boy, buddy. Oh, good boy, buddy.
God. What a dope you. Here. God, you don't know why.
Are you hungry? Do you want lunch? Bye. Whoa!
Which one's cleaner?